So we can wait for 3 minutes, then we can start. And by this time, can you say that what is our last lecture? What is the math we have done? Can anyone share? Selim, Umehani,
Sir, the math was, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, Lubna, I can hear you.
So math was, sir, suppose two member of group of 12 insist on working as a pair. Any team must contain
Oh, okay,
either
okay,
both
okay.
or
So,
yes, sir. That
yeah.
one.
So your answer is 372, right, Lubna?
Yes, sir. 372.
Okay, okay. So would you please write? We can just extend the math, right? Do you understand, dear student? For single question, we are just dealing. First math is easy, second math is more difficult, something like this. Do you understand? So that you can easily understand the combination. Okay, dear student?
Okay, sir.
So suppose two members of the group refuse to work together,
Sir, board is not clear.
you cannot see the board.
Yes, sir.
No,
It's
sir.
clear, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
No, sir,
Clear.
I can't see.
Anju Akhtar,
Yes, sir, I can't see.
Lubna, can you see me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
স্যার
Yes, sir.
একবার ঝাপসা আছে একবার ক্লিয়ার আছে
No, but it's clear, sir.
Now it is clear now, sir. It's HD clear.
I don't know, but my display, my network is good.
Yes, sir. Board is clear.
Yes, sir.
Board
Clear.
is clear,
Okay,
sir.
please take a picture or rejoin. Dear student, if your board is not clear, you can just rejoin, okay? How many 5-person teams how many 5-person team can be formed? Teams can be formed. For first math, we saw that's just a simple math. Second math, that was work together or don't work together, right? That was
Yes,
fixed.
sir.
But here comparatively little bit different. The two members of the group don't get along and refuse to work together, right? Do you understand this? Do you understand, dear student? Among 12 people, this is the extension of the question, right? Among 12 people, now these two members don't work alone, right? Suppose if you say A is a member, A, B are two members. Suppose A and B are two members. If A belongs in the team, 5-person team, then B does not belongs, right? Do you understand? আপনারা কি বুঝছেন?
Sir, can you please
Do you
স্যার
repeat?
আবার
understand?
বলেন।
Again, please.
Okay, suppose you have to make 5-person group. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and another 5-person. So here together two members, suppose two members of the group don't get along and refuse to work together. So if you say 1, 2 and these two members, if you denote it by A and B. So if A belongs in the team, so can you say B will be there?
No.
No, because they refused. They refused to work together. So if A belongs in a team, then B does not belong. So you can choose other person, right? Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the possibility. So you can say something like this. This is the 4-person and another will be A. So if you say A or maybe 1, 2, 3, 4-person, another will be B, right? There are 5-person teams, right? Or maybe you can select except AB. There is no AB, right? Is there any AB? If you form a group like, so that is excluding AB, right? Do you understand? These are the three possibilities. Do you understand, dear student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Two members of the group of 12 people group don't get along and refuse to work together. How many? 5-person. So these are the possibilities. If you consider if there are 4-person in a group, so 5-number person, that will be A, or 5-number person, that will be B, or they don't belongs in a team. So there is no question here, right? If they does not belongs, I mean AB does not belongs in the team, 5-person team, so there is no question, right? So these are the possibilities. So you need to think in such a way. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Should I explain again, dear
Sir, can you
students? Should
please
I explain?
explain again, sir?
Mr. Farhan Habib, you need to make a team, 5-person team. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 5-person team, if you want to make 5-person team among 12, AB, two members of the group, two members, their relation is not good. That's why they raise the issue. যে I don't want work with you. A said to B যে I don't want to with B, and B also said okay, I do not want work with you. Do you understand, Farhan?
Yes, sir.
So suppose a group, you need to make a group, a team, you need to make a team, 5-person team. So if A, B are belongs, so it is impossible to make a group. Do you understand, according to the statement?
Yes, sir.
If you say 1 number, 3 number, there are A and B, there are 3-person and another B and A. So this group you cannot make this group. You cannot make this team, right? This violate.
Yes.
So that's why you can, if 4 number person, then 5th number person that will be A, or 5th number person that will be B, or they does not belongs. You can make a team without A and B. Can we make, Farhan?
Yes, sir.
Farhan, can
Yes,
you hear
sir.
me?
Yes, sir.
So this is the possibilities. So I think now you can answer, right?
Yes, sir.
So just start the answer. Just I clean because I have no space. So write solution. Consider the two people. Let A and B be two peoples, be two members, or okay, two members to refuse to work together, right? We have denoted work together. Okay, work together. A team together. A team that contain not contain contain that a team that contain A but not B is, so how many? What will be the, yeah, Farhan, combination? What will be the combination?
Sir, 10C4.
Very good. 10C4. So how do you know, Jubair? Jubair, thank you. That excellent.
Sir,
So how can you
because
consider it?
A is fixed and we cannot include B, sir. So the rest of
Yes,
the number is 10th, and I need another 4 members, sir.
4. Very good. Very good. Now calculate the value. Calculate 10 factorial, 4 factorial. I think we can shortly write. Eh? আমরা এখন expert হয়ে গেছি না? Can I write shortly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now calculate. So 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. Oh, 6 factorial we can cancel. So 6. Then 6 factorial. 4 factorial. So we can expand this. So 4 times 3 times 2. 4 times 3 times 2. So 6 factorial you can cancel. This 4, 2, 8 you can cancel. 3 times you can cancel, right? তাহলে কত হবে? 210. 10. Dear student, now what will be the next part? Next part? ইফরাত
Yes.
পরের পার্টটা কি হবে? আপনারা কি বুঝছেন নাকি কপি করতেছেন বলেন? প্লিজ ডোন্ট কপি, ওকে? ইউ আর
স্যার আমি কিছু
ইউনিভার্সিটি
দেখতে পাচ্ছি
স্টুডেন্ট। হ্যাঁ রিক্তা, এখন আপনার
কিছু দেখতে
নেটওয়ার্ক
পাচ্ছি না।
একটু জায়গা চেঞ্জ করেন, দেখেন যে নেটওয়ার্ক কোথায় আসছে। ছাদে যান অথবা বাইরে যান, যে দেখেন একটু নেটওয়ার্ক কোথায় পাচ্ছেন।
So B team that contain B, not A.
ভেরি গুড, ভেরি গুড। Similarly, very good,
Yes.
Lubna. A team that contain B but not A, so exactly you will get the same answer, right,
Yes.
Lubna?
Yes.
And again, a team that contain neither A nor B, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
we have already explained the 3 cases. We have already find out 3 cases. So according to these 3 cases, have you finished this writing, dear student? Have you finished this writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then write. Okay, then write a team that contain just similarly, huh? That contain B but not A. So that will be the answer, right? Like this way. So A team, so contains. Anyway, so have you finished this? Another again you will get 210.
Sir, in the line, sir, where not is missing. Sir, B contains B but not A. Sir, not কি লিখতে হবে?
A team that contains B but not A. Yes, yes. I'm sorry, not. There will be not. ও আচ্ছা আমরা লিখি নাই, বলছি বাট লিখি নাই।
Yes, sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ,
Sir,
থ্যাংক ইউ
not is
সাদিকুল।
missing.
হ্যাঁ থ্যাংক ইউ, থ্যাংক ইউ,
Sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ। আমরা কিন্তু বলছি বাট আই ডোন্ট নো হোয়াই ডু নট। A team that contains B but not A. হ্যাঁ থ্যাংক ইউ সাদিকুল। উড ইউ প্লিজ কারেক্ট দিস সেন্টেন্স? আই থিঙ্ক আপনারা কারেক্ট করেছেন, আমি বোধহয় ভুল লিখেছি।
No, sir. Correctly.
হ্যাঁ আপনারা ঠিক লিখেছেন, থ্যাংক ইউ। সো দ্যাট ইজ দ্য again right, a teams that contains, that team that contains neither A nor B, right? So how many way you can form? How many way? What will be the combination, Lubna? AB does not belongs, so you need to form 5% team. So what will be the?
10C5.
Very good.
So
10C5.
10C5,
So
yes.
10C5. Very good. So would you please calculate this? Maybe previous class we have calculated this one.
252.
Yeah,
Sir,
252.
252.
252. Now just add this. Eh? So the total number. So the total number. So the total. So the total number of teams. So the total numbers of teams that do not contain both, that do not contain, that do not contain both C and D is, C and D is কত ছিল জানো? 210, 210, 210 plus 252. So our result is 672. We can answer this question also in different way. Can you say what is the different way? How can answer this question? Can you try? This is also a way we can solve this another way.
স্যার ফার্স্ট আমরা 10-4 কেন নিছি আর পরের বার 10-5 কেন নিছি স্যার এটা আমি বুঝি নাই।
ওকে, ইয়া রিক্তা,
Yes, sir.
আমরা লিখেছি a team that contains a but not b, right?
Yes, sir.
লিখেছেন না এটা?
Yes, sir.
A team that contains a but not b. So coming to the point, how many people? We have 12 people, right, Rikta?
Yes, sir.
Among 12 people, you need to form a team that contains 5 members. How many person there will be? 5 person.
5%.
So among 5 person means, according to the question এ বলেছিল যে তারা একসাথে থাকবে না, হ্যাঁ, they don't want to work alone, right,
Yes, sir.
and refuse to work together. একসাথে কাজ করা তারা রিফিউজ করেছে। Do you understand, Rikta?
Yes, sir.
তো একটা টিমে, for a single team, 5-person team, if you want to say যে A belongs, so can you say যে B also belongs? B কি থাকবে?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
No.
Understand.
Okay,
That's
that's
why
why
4.
4. There are 4 person, right? Only you have a
Yes.
option. If you say A belongs, means A জায়গা fixed হয়ে গেছে, B you can choose by any other. So there are 4 person you can choose. A is already fixed. A is filled by the question, right?
Yes, sir.
So only we have 4 option. আমরা 4টা লোক নিয়ে কাজ করতে পারি, হ্যাঁ, that's why we have written here 4. এখানে আমরা লিখেছি neither, কেউ থাকবে না এখানে, এ বি নেই, কোনো কন্ডিশনই নেই, এ বি নেই, means we have a right, we can make 5-person team, different 5-person among 10 people, right?
Yes, sir.
Rikta?
Yes, sir.
That's why we have written here 5.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
Welcome,
last
miss.
লাইনটা the C and D টা বুঝি নাই, এই যে don't contain both
So
C
why
and D.
we write 2 times 210?
Yes, sir.
Something you need to understand, we have considered here A B.
And B, yes, sir.
Sir, sir, 210
Yes.
দুইবার কেন লিখছেন? 210
Oh sign, are you absent mind? আমরা তো দুইবার নিতে হবে, এ থাকবে বি থাকবে না, আবার বি বলছি আমরা, বি থাকবে এ থাকবে না। ডু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড সাহিন?
স্যার আমি বলতেছি স্যার একদম লাস্টে স্যার টোটাল যখন বের করলেন স্যার 210 দুইবার।
আরে বেটা ওইটাই তো বলছি, আপনি
Okay,
কি
sir.
বললেন, এ
তাহলে
টিম দ্যাট
কি-
কন্টেন্স এ বাট নট বি।
স্যার আমি ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে গেছিলাম তো স্যার, আমি ভিডিও দেখে নেব না স্যার।
ওকে সাহিন, a team we have written a team that contains a but not b. Okay,
ওকে স্যার।
another, can you say
ও
the
অ্যানাদার
a
স্যার
team
বি
that
ইজ
contains
এস
b
বুঝতে
but
পারছি
not a?
নট এ স্যার বুঝতে পারছি স্যার। ওকে স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, এটার জন্যই মিস gentlemen we
ওকে
have
স্যার।
written like this. Would you please write a question and can you try? Gentlemen, can you try?
Yes.
Write down the question. Please write down the question. You have to answer 7 questions. I am talking about your final exam. As for example. Do you understand, Lubna?
Yes, sir.
How many questions you have to answer?
7 questions.
Sir, 7 questions.
7 question.
7 questions you have to answer. Please keep a note. You have to answer 7 questions out of 10 questions. What is the total question? Question number 10. Though it is impossible in IUBAT, right? But we have said this as for example to understand the combination, right? You have to answer 7 questions out of 10 questions. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
can take picture. Aha. আমি পিকচার নিতে পারছি না যে শেয়ার করব। ওকে ওকে আমি বলি মুখেই বলি। So how many way you can answer? How many way you can answer this question? First just finish it. There is no restriction. So you have to answer 7 questions out of 10. Short will be the answer.
10C7.
Very good, Shanta. 10C7. Sure. Actually, there is no restriction, right? There is no
Yes, sir.
boundary. Can I proceed for the next? Can I proceed next?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Would you please write again? You must have to answer at least 4 of the first 6 questions. Do you understand or not? Remember, please, you have to answer total how many questions? 7 questions.
7 questions.
You have to answer total number of questions, what? 7 out of 10. Now, you have to answer 7 questions. There is a restriction. What is the restriction? You have to answer, you must have to answer at least 4 of the first 6 questions. There is a serial of the question, right? So from first 6 questions, you must have to answer at least 4. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Yes, sir.
At least 4. Suppose question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total you can answer any 7. That was we have done. But what is the restriction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, from first 6 questions,
First segment.
from first 6 questions, you must have to answer at least 4. Do you understand? এগুলো আমাদের পরীক্ষায় থাকতো, আমরা ইউনিভার্সিটি পরীক্ষা দিয়েছি, যে এরকম বাউন্ডারি থাকতো যে 1 নম্বর আর 2 নম্বর কোশ্চেন আনসার করতেই হবে, বাকিগুলো থেকে অপশন যে ইউ ক্যান আনসার। সো হাউ মেনি ওয়ে ইউ ক্যান আনসার? How many way you can answer? Do you understand the question or not? আপনার কোশ্চেনটা না বুঝলে আবার বলেন।
So 6C4.
I don't know, but my point is, do you understand the question or not? Just
Yes,
এইটুকু
sir.
বলেন, আমি
Understand.
আনসারের কথা জিজ্ঞেস।
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand.
So okay, would you please try? Would you please try?
Sir, it
Please.
does it say
Please,
64
dear
plus
student,
463, sir?
Lubna, okay, Lubna,
Yes, sir.
sign. Sainik Bar Lugma, other student, please focus on the at least. This is important word. At least. What do you mean by at least? In mathematics, there is a word, two words, at least and at most. Do you know what is the meaning? At least? At least and at most. There are two words in mathematics. I think you know. At least and at most. Most of time we are using this. What is at least? At least means
minimum.
minimum number. What will be the maximum? We don't know. Do you understand? Only
Yes.
minimum is bounded. Try to understand. Only minimum is bounded. What is the highest? We don't know. Highest we don't know. We know the minimum only. We know the minimum. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
means at least 4. We know the minimum. What is the maximum? We don't know. That is means at least. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
At most means we know the maximum, but we don't know the minimum.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes,
At
sir.
most. At most means we don't know this, but we know the maximum number. We know the maximum, but we don't know the minimum. How many minimum? We don't know, but we know maximum. They are okay. Maximum 4 it will be. But what will be the minimum? At most, we don't know. Like at least, we know the minimum, but what will be the maximum? We don't know. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
please focus on this at least. So I can sit for 5 minutes. You can try. এই কোশ্চেনটা আপনাদের আগের সেমিস্টারে দেওয়া হয়েছিল। আই মিন এর আগের প্রিভিয়াস সেমিস্টারে ফাইনালে।
Sir, answer is 100, sir.
আনসার ইজ কত জোবায়ের?
Sir, 100.
100. Actually, I don't know answer. Would you please explain, Jobair? Oh, wait, Jobair, wait. 5 minutes. Just after 5 or 4 minutes, I'll call you later. Okay, Jobair? Keep it secret.
Okay, sir.
Others দের একটু think করতে দেন, হ্যাঁ? Jobair, please wait, man. I'm coming later. Dear student, would you please try? Allahu Akbar Kabira. Selimusan Swag, Lubna, Baijid, where are you, man?
So his network
Sahin,
problem.
স্যার বাইজিদের একটু নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম।
oh. Israt, have you finished your math? Have you done, dear student? Have you finished? Hurry up. আগে আমরা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা নিয়ে নিব এর মধ্যে। বলেন। Asadujaman Asik, are you present? Asik, gentlemen. Asik, are you present? Asadujaman Asik.
Present.
Why but Asik? What are you doing? Are you taking lunch? Are you busy with your lunch? Asik? Asik,
No, sir.
are you busy with your lunch? Or you
No,
are
sir. No, sir.
listening?
Sir, present, sir.
I know. Present সবাই present. মেহেদি হাসান মুন্না, মুন্না, মুন্না ভাই absent. ফারহান প্রেজেন্ট. হাদিউজ্জামান,
Yes, sir.
হাদিউজ্জামান আপনি লেটে জয়েন করেছেন.
Yes, sir. 5 minutes.
সেলিম হোসেন,
Yes, sir.
সাকিবুল্লাহ মিয়ান, সাকিবুল্লাহ মিয়ান, মশিউর রহমান,
Yes, sir.
আব্দুল্লাহ আল মাহাদি হাসান সোহাগ, ইসরাফিল হোসাইন, শাহাদাতুল্লাহ নাইম,
Sir, Israfil, sir.
Shahadat, you are also joined late. Israfil, your attendance is given. Shahadat, are you present?
No problem, sir.
Shahadat, why you are late, man?
Sir,
Shahadat,
network problem, sir.
নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম তো স্টার্টিং এ হয়, আপনি জয়েন
Yes,
হবেন
sir.
যাবেন এরকম হয়, বাট এটা আপনি জয়েনই করছেন লেট করে.
Sir,
আনিকা
current আসছিল
প্রেজেন্ট.
পরে আমি জয়েন করছি।
ওকে ওকে. নিয়াজ মোরশেদ,
Yes,
নিয়াজ.
sir. Yes, sir.
হোসাইন এমডি সাফাত. হ্যাঁ আনিকা, আই নো মিস ইউ আর প্রেজেন্ট.
Yes, sir. Present, sir. Shafat.
ওকে সাফাত. বন্নি বিশ্বাস,
Yes, sir.
নজরুল ইসলাম,
Present, sir.
রেদওয়ান আহমেদ রাতুল,
Yes, sir.
শেখ মোহাম্মদ সাদিকুল ইসলাম.
Yes, sir. Present.
Sadikul, also you are late. You are also late.
No, sir. Sir, joining
Uh,
5 minutes later, sir.
Imtiaz Hussain Rafi,
Yes, sir.
Tanjum Akhtar,
Yes, sir.
Juliana Tonu. Tonu, are you present?
Sir.
Sir,
Farjana
Tonu
Tania?
was present.
Yes, sir.
She told me,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Farjana Tania, you are also
Yes,
late.
sir.
Why,
Oh, sorry,
miss?
sir.
Israt Jahan
Sorry.
Ira.
Present, sir.
Okay. Abdul Khalik. Abdul Khalik. Khalik bhai absent? Is a regular student. Do you have any message about Khalik, Abdul Khalik?
No, sir.
Thank you, Habib. Umme Hani Toma. Hani present. Okay. Onik Paul.
Yes, sir.
Farjan Akhtar, Hima.
Present, sir. Present,
Hima,
sir.
why you are late, miss? Hani, I know you are present.
Sir, actually, sir, I
Hima,
am
why you are present?
sir, for
Oh,
IUBT beans planting.
okay, you are doing double duty, Hima. Thank you, miss. Thank you for attending classes. Baijid,
Sir, he joined, but
His network problem.
he joined. His network.
but join network problem. Yes. Raida,
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
okay. Roman
Present,
Afroz,
sir.
Sabrina Akhtar,
Present, sir.
Ifrat Jahan Lima,
Present, sir.
Mr. Talukdar present, Shanta Chaudhary present, Rahatil Mahmuda, Rahatil, Ruhul Amin, Moshiur Rahman absent, Khaja Minhaj, Khaja Minhaj, Nahida Islam, Humayun Kabir.
Yes, sir. Humayun Kabir.
Okay, Humayun Khandokar Habib present. Sanjida Khan Mitu.
Yes, sir.
Archita Roy.
Yes, sir.
Sumaya Islam Shanta.
Yes, sir.
Faria Sarmin.
Yes, sir.
Siab Sarwar. Siab. Is anybody left?
Sir, Shine Hussain.
Hey, sign. That's given. Your attendance is given. ওকে, যে নামগুলো আমি বলি না, আই থিঙ্ক ইউ নো, এটা আমি ভুলে বলি না বা স্কিপ করে যায় না, যেগুলোকে
Yes,
দেখি
sir.
যারা প্রেজেন্ট তাদের
But sir,
আমি
you.
নামগুলো কল করি না।
Okay, sir.
ওকে,
স্যার আপনি বললেন যে আর কেউ বাদ আছে নাকি, এর জন্য আর কি বলবো।
না 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 না, বাদ মানে আমি ওই তো একই কথা। Now how can you answer? How many way you can answer? Have you finished this math?
Sir, is it 36, sir?
Sir, answer might be 35.
35. Would you please explain 36, 35 or 100 does not matter? I need explanation. আমার সুপারভাইজার বলতো, ইউনিভার্সিটি স্টুডেন্ট, তোমাদের এখানে যা হোক আনসার নিয়ে মাথা ব্যথা না, you need to know যে how can you get this result, right? And I like this quotation and that's very important, I think, right? Because you know যে আপনি 36 বলেন, 35 or 100 by following something, right? So okay, you can share 36 or 35. How can you get this? Okay, Sadikul, Sheikh Mohammad Sadikul,
Yes,
সাইন
sir.
ইকবাল, হ্যাঁ বলেন কিভাবে পাইলেন, বলেন, জাস্ট শেয়ার করেন।
Sir, here you told us at least 4, sir, from the first six. So,
Yes.
sir, after 4, there are 3 questions left. So, the other 4 question we can take 3 question as 4C3 and 6C4 plus. So that's the one way. And second way will be, sir.
Wait, ইকবাল, that's good. So okay, ফার্স্ট কি লিখলেন আপনি?
6C4 plus 4C3
প্লাস
plus, sir.
4C3.
Yes, sir. It's one way we can answer 7 questions, and then, sir,
Actually
65.
not it plus, because
Sir.
That's good. Sain Iqbal, whatever you are doing, that's good.
Sir.
But plus, I think it will be not plus, because you have answered, when you answer this, so maybe you can answer maybe 1 with this,
Yes,
maybe
sir.
2
Two.
with this, maybe 3 with
Yes,
this,
sir.
something like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So it product rule you have to use, right, Sain?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
That's very excellent. Okay, very excellent. Now Sadiqul Islam, Sheikh Mohammad Sadiqul Islam, how can you get this?
Sir, sir, you said
Yes.
that first 6 question at least giving 4. So that's why
Yes.
first we take 6C4.
Okay,
The,
64.
then the value is 15.
Okay,
Then, sir, rest of the question we have 2 plus 4, that means 6. And giving answer, so now giving answer more 3 question out of 6 question. So
But
6C.
but gentlemen, you have to make 7 total question. How many question you have to answer? 7. Only
Sir,
you are
7.
answering 4 question. Only you are answering out of 6 first 4 questions. So whatever the other, you do not answer this question, you have to answer. You have to total answer 7 questions. So what will be this part? As like signing ball listed this. Sadiqul.
Yes, sir.
So you have to answer total 7 question, right? So only you have answered 4 question. So what about the other 3 question?
So that's why, sir, we are taking 6C3.
Okay, 63. Good.
Yes, sir.
Then 7 question done.
Yes, sir.
I mean the signing ball and you are same. You want to say?
sir, in the first step, value is 15, and the
So
second step value is
why you
20.
are telling 6, 6, 6? Why you are 6? Sadiqul Islam, why you are telling 6? Because your total question is 10. Your total question is 10, but here total question is 12. Why do you get this extra 2 question? Sadiqul, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So how can you write here 6?
So sir, it might be 4. 4C3.
Okay, 4C3. Okay, good. 4C3. So, okay, 10 question. Then, have you write any other things?
So there would be like 65 and 4C2.
That's why I am telling, please analyze this one. And at least why I am explain, analyze this one.
At least.
You do not use this at least. You are answering 4, but still at least is left. Do you understand, Sahin Iqbal?
Sir,
Now you have
we can
got this
answer
correct.
5 questions from the 6 questions, sir.
Huh?
It's like, sir, we can answer 5 questions from the 6 questions.
Yes, also you can do it. Very good. So 6C5. Also you can do it. Then what is the left?
4C2, sir.
4C2. Very good. Then what?
Then, sir, 6C6 plus not plus, sir, 4C1, sir.
Okay. So then 6C6, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 4
C1.
1. Is any other? Can I say 7? Can I write?
No, sir. Among 6, how can you?
Yes,
No, sir,
that's
you can
it.
write it.
So this is the point, right? At least, because at least you are answering. So these are the way you can just answer. Maybe this is a chance. You can answer, I'm coming later. Yeah. Jubair, gentlemen, would you please explain? Jubair, your
Yes,
turn.
sir.
How can you get
Yes, sir.
100? Yes.
ইয়েস স্যার। স্যার প্রথম শর্ত দেওয়া আছে স্যার 10টার মধ্যে থেকে 7টা দিতে হবে, আর এখানে দেওয়া আছে যে 4টা অ্যান্সার করতে হবে আমাদের প্রথম 6টা থেকে। তো আমরা কোশ্চেনটাকে স্যার 2 ভাগে ভাগ করতে পারি, যে প্রথম ভাগে 6টা থাকলো আর পরের ভাগে থাকতেছে স্যার 4টা।
ভেরি গুড।
তো আমাকে 6টার থেকে অ্যাটলিস্ট 4টা দিতে হবে স্যার।
ইয়েস।
এখন 6টা থেকে যদি আমি অ্যাটলিস্ট 4টা দিই তাহলে হবে 6C4, আর
Yes.
বাকি 4টা থেকে আমরা দিতে পারবো স্যার 3টা ইন্টু
Yes.
4C3 স্যার।
4C
ইন্টু 4C3।
Okay, 4C3. That's done. We have already done. Signing ball listed this. And Sadiq.
তারপরে স্যার আমরা প্রথম 6টা থেকে 4টার পরে স্যার 5টা দিতে পারি স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, 5টা দিতে পারি।
6C5 ইন্টু, আর বাকি 4টা থেকে স্যার 2টা দিতে পারি স্যার।
ভেরি গুড।
4C2। আর তারপরে স্যার 6টা থেকে 6টা দিতে পারি 6C6, আর বাকি স্যার 4টা থেকে একটা 4C1।
হ্যাঁ, that is your answer. What is your answer, gentlemen?
স্যার টোটাল অ্যান্সার ইজ 100 স্যার।
Good.
সবগুলো
You
যোগ
are
করলে স্যার।
absolutely right. Okay. So there are 100 way you can answer this question. Do you understand? Do you understand, dear student?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ। So whatever is given you need to explain. And আমি আবারও বলি আপনাদের ইয়া হবে। Actually there are so many way, there are so many technique we are applying for copying. আমার মনে হয় যে যখন আমাকে কেউ কিছু বলে তখন আমি বুঝি, কেউ কিছু যখন বলে না তখন বুঝি না। So you have to identify your problem, your weakness, যে why I am not able to understand. Do you understand, dear student? আমি কেন এটা ধরতে পারতেছি না, যে সিম্পল কথা, কেন এখানে ধরতে পারতেছি না, সবগুলো ক্লু দিয়ে দেওয়া হচ্ছে, তারপর আমি কেন ইউজ করতেছি না। So you have to actually ask by yourself and try to minimize the problem, right? Because this is also one types of copy. আমি কি বুঝাতে পারছি? আপনারা বুঝছেন কি বিষয়টা? মানে প্রবলেম হয়ে গেলে why I am unable to solve, you need to please identify this problem. হ্যাঁ, আপনারা কি বুঝছেন আমাকে না বুঝেন না বলেন? Can I extend this idea? Still we have some time. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you sleeping? Are you busy with your bhat ghum or something like
No,
No,
this?
sir. No, sir.
sir. No, sir. No, sir.
আপনারা কি বুঝছেন প্রবলেম গুলো নাকি বুঝেন না বলেন?
Yes,
Sir,
sir. বুঝতে
বুঝতে
পেরেছি।
পেরেছি।
ওকে চলেন আরেকটা আমরা টেস্ট করি। টাইম শর্টের মধ্যে নিজে নিজে ট্রাই করে আনসার করবেন প্লিজ।
ওকে স্যার।
আর কোশ্চেনটা হচ্ছে 12 পিপল, রাইট? আমরা আগের কোশ্চেনে ফিরে যাচ্ছি। 12 পিপল। Do you understand, Jubair?
Yes, sir.
Please keep a note. 12 people. You have 12 people. Among 12 people, 5 men and 7 women. We are just categorized. Is that clear? How many men?
Sir, 5 men and 7 women.
5 men, 7 women. Please keep a note. 5 men, 7 women. That is total 12. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You need to make a team, 5-person team. You need to make 5-person team. That 5-person team contains at least one man. At least one man. You need to make 5-person team that contain at least one man. So how many way you can form? Question clear or not? Please, you should try by yourself. কপি পেস্ট করবেন না, অলরেডি আমরা কিছু বলেছি, কিছু আইডিয়া ডেভেলপ করেছি। প্লিজ ইউ শুড ট্রাই বাই ইয়োরসেলফ।
In a team,
Time
members,
only.
sir. In a team,
Time?
how many members should we take, sir? In a one team, sir.
How many?
How many members?
One team, 5.
5.
5%. 5% team, right? Sign Iqbal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. আমাদের টাইম শর্টলি আনসার করে তাড়াতাড়ি বলবেন। No need to write down the language, just tell me যে this is this. আপনি পাচ্ছেন কিনা বলেন।
Sir, hello sir.
Yes, Minaj.
Sir, did you take my attendance? I was disconnected.
Why? You are just at the last minute. Did you attend the
No.
class, Minaj?
Yes, sir. Entire the time I was attended, but in attendance time I was disconnected.
Can you say what the question we have now telling you? What is the question we have discussed this? Can you say, Haja, Minhaj?
Sir,
কি বললাম বলেন?
I was connected from the number, examination number, but I cannot understand this one.
হ্যাঁ, your network problem, definitely you have network problem. বুঝা যাচ্ছে আপনার কথা, আমিও বুঝতে পারতেছি না। আর দেওয়া হচ্ছে কিনা ঠিক আমার মনে নেই। I have to check. So have you finished your math, dear student?
Sir, is it like, sir, 5C1 into 7C4 plus 5C2 into 7C3 plus 5? 5.
Wait. You can just do it. Don't share. You can just do it. You can just do it. I'm coming later. Okay, sign Iqbal. What about the other student?
Sir, answer is 770.
770. ইসরাত জাহান একটু বোধহয় ইয়া হয়েছে ক্যালকুলেশনে, বাট গুড, স্টিল দ্যাটস এক্সিলেন্ট। Lubna, have you finished your math?
No, sir. I'm doing, sir.
Sanjum Akhtar,
Yes, sir.
have you finished your math, miss?
No, sir.
Do
Actually,
you
sir, I
understand?
couldn't see the board clearly at first. That's why I didn't understand some of the portion of this math.
Oh,
So with your recording class, I have to finish it within 2 days.
বাট আমাদের কাজ তো ক্লাসেই করে নিতে হবে, আমাদের তো এত সময় থাকে না যে চেক করা।
Sir,
এই
I
জন্য
have given the screenshot in your group, sir.
ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট হারি আপ, আমাদের টাইম শর্ট। জোবায়ের, হ্যাভ ইউ ফিনিশ? মিস্টার জোবায়ের।
So yes, sir, but didn't calculate, sir, because I don't have
Oh,
calculator, sir.
okay. Now, yeah. Now, uh, yes, তানজুমের নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম, আয়েশারও নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম, আসিয়ারও নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম। হ্যাঁ, দেখা যাচ্ছে না ঠিক মতো। ওকে, আমি ইয়ার পরে আপনাকে দিয়ে দেওয়া হবে লেকচার, কি বলে, গুগল ক্লাসরুমে, তখন থেকে দেখে নিয়েন তাহলে। আর যদি কোশ্চেন থাকে ইউ ক্যান জাস্ট আস্ক, ওকে? আর এই জন্য বলি, আপনারা দেখতে না পাইলে একটু শুনে, না বুঝলে কোশ্চেন করবেন।
Sir, is it 770?
ওকে, বলেন এখন প্রসিডিউর গুলো বলেন। নাও সাইন ইকবাল, ইউ ক্যান
Sir,
রেজ দিস। হ্যাঁ,
sir, first way, sir, among five men, sir, we can take one man, and among seven women, we can take four. That's one team.
ভেরি গুড, ওয়ান টিম, ইয়েস।
Yes, sir. Then, sir, 5C2 into 7C3, it's another team, sir.
ভেরি গুড।
And another team, sir, 5C3 and 7 into 7C2, sir. Three.
ভেরি গুড।
And another is 4 and 1, sir. Like 5C4
তারপরে বলেন।
to 7C1.
দেন
And, sir, 5C5, sir. It's all only, sir, men, sir, for.
আবাটা 5C, you have to make five-person team.
Yes, sir.
So we can consider from 5 men, 5 we can consider, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what will be the women?
Sir, 7C0, sir.
Very good.
Sir,
Is there any other? Is there any other chance? Hey, sign Iqbal. Jobair, have you doing like this way, Jobair?
Yes, sir. Answer is 771, sir.
Very good. Now it's right. Okay.
71, sir. Yes, sir. 71.
Now exactly that you have explained. That's very nice. J teams. You can make a team with one man, 4 women. That is 5.
Yes,
and
sir.
out of the total, how many total number of men and how many women. Similarly, just proceed it. Just repeat it. Okay. So our time is up. So okay, dear students. So thank you for spending your valuable time with me. And please, if you have a question, please raise your question without hesitation. Or you can just write on the chat box, yes sir, I don't understand. Or if you have a network problem, also you can just, because you can hear me, right? যে আপনি কথা বললে আপনি তাহলে লিখে বুঝতে পারবেন। ওকে, সো দ্যাটস অল ফর টুডে এন্ড থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
আসসালামু
ওয়ালাইকুম
আলাইকুম।
আসসালাম। আল্লাহ